Hey, there you are. I was just thinking about you. Well, what do you have to say, Peaches? You got something you want to say something to the YouTubers? Well, I got my free-range parrot all carved up, and I want to show it to you. So, what do you say, Peaches? Hang on to your hats. I've been soaking it in linseed oil. That looks a little greasy. I've got a can full of linseed oil, and I put it in there for about an hour and pull it out and wipe it off. So, it's got a detachable cockatoo. Now it's a parrot. Just a parrot, and now it's a cockatoo. I'm gonna try to make a casting of this, and I figure I could just fill in those holes when I make a casting. That's kind of fun. And his pack comes off. I just got a little hole in there. If I can do this one-handed. Oh, somebody's wanting my attention here. Hey, don't chew on the camera. Alright, now I got it. That's that. We get Peaches on this side. This is a piece of shoestring. Yeah, I love you too, Peaches. We've got the TheCrafsman SteadyCraftin initials on there. That's awful fun. Looks a little greasy, but it's alright. I tried to do a close carving since I'm going to try to make a casting of it. I didn't want anything fuzzy sticking off. Anything fuzzy in all the cracks or something. Alright. Well, I just got to learn how to make a casting now. And my next project, my sister asked me to carve a mermaid, and I was expecting to carve it out of wood, but I've been watching these jade carvers on the YouTube, and I thought maybe I would try to carve it out of this green rock I got. I'm a bit of a rock hound, so I don't have any experience doing this, so I don't know if it'll work, but I'm gonna experiment and try. So we'll see what happens. Still waiting on my building permit, so I had to submit something else the other day, so they're still working on it. And I guess that's about all I got for now. Hope everybody is enjoying the new year, and you got anything you want to say, Peaches? You want to say bye-bye to all the YouTubers?
What a good bird.